India 3D Laser Scanning Services Company in Bangalore. India is witnessing a rapid growth in the field of 3D laser scanning services, and Bangalore, also known as the Silicon Valley of India, is at the forefront of this revolution. One of the leading companies offering these services company in Bangalore is the SCON Design. With their state-of-the-art 3D scanners and highly skilled professionals, they are providing top-notch solutions to various industries. A 3D scanner is a device that uses laser technology to capture the shape and dimensions of an object or environment. It emits a laser beam onto the surface of the object, and by calculating the time it takes for the beam to bounce back, it creates a digital representation of the object. This technology has numerous applications in industries such as architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and entertainment. The SCON Design in Bangalore specializes in 3D laser scanning services. They have a wide range of advanced 3D laser scanners that can capture precise measurements and detailed information of objects, buildings, and landscapes. These scanners are capable of capturing millions of data points within seconds, resulting in highly accurate 3D models. One of the key advantages of 3D laser scanning is its ability to capture intricate details and complex geometries that traditional measurement methods may miss. This makes it an invaluable tool for industries such as architecture and engineering, where precise measurements are crucial for design and construction purposes. The 3D models generated through laser scanning can be used for visualizations, simulations, quality control, and documentation. The SCON Design in Bangalore has a team of experts who are well versed in utilizing 3D laser scanning technology to meet the specific needs of their clients. They offer a wide range of services company including 3D scanning of buildings for architectural purposes, reverse engineering of products for manufacturing, and scanning of archaeological sites for preservation and research. In conclusion, 3D laser scanning services company are gaining prominence in India, and Bangalore is leading the way with companies like the SCON Design. Their advanced 3D scanners and skilled professionals ensure accurate and detailed digital representations of objects and environments. With its wide range of applications across various industries, 3D laser scanning is proving to be an indispensable tool for modern businesses. Bangalore, widely known as the Silicon Valley of India, is at the forefront of the change occurring in the field of 3D laser scanning services company in India. In Bangalore, the SCON Design is among the best places to go for help in this area. They offer cutting-edge 3D scanning technology and expert staff to deliver superior products and services company across a range of sectors. A three-dimensional scanner is a piece of equipment that employs laser technology to record information about an object's or a space's geometry and dimensions. It projects a laser beam onto the surface of the object and builds a 3D model of the object based on the time it takes for the beam to return. This technology can be used in many other fields, including construction, engineering, manufacturing, and even the entertainment industry. In Bangalore, you may find expert 3D laser scanning services company the SCON Design. The sophisticated 3D laser scanners at their disposal can record accurate dimensions and extensive data about any object, structure, or terrain. These scanners can collect millions of data points in a matter of seconds, allowing for the creation of precise 3D models. One of the main benefits of 3D laser scanning is that it can capture complex geometries and fine details that may be missed by more conventional methods of assessment. For professions like architecture and engineering, where exact measurements are required for design and construction, this is a priceless asset. Visualization, simulation, quality control, and documentation are just some of the many applications for the 3D models generated by laser scanning. Experts at Bangalore SCON Design are familiar with 3D laser scanning and can use it to tailor services company to each customer's needs. They provide a variety of services, including as 3D building scanning for architects, reverse engineering for manufacturers, and archaeological site scanning for preservation and study. In conclusion, Bangalore is at the forefront of the 3D laser scanning services company boom in India because to pioneering institutions like the SCON Design. Their cutting-edge 3D scanners and expert staff guarantee flawless virtual recreations of real-world settings and objects. The versatility of 3D laser scanning has led to its adoption by a growing number of industries, cementing its status as a crucial resource for today's organizations. Bangalore, sometimes called the Silicon Valley of India, is leading the way in the development of 3D laser scanning services company across the country. The SCON Design is one of the top venues to get assistance in this field in Bangalore. Superior goods and services company in many fields are made possible by their state-of-the-art 3D scanning technology and highly trained personnel. A 3D scanner is a piece of machinery that uses laser technology to take measurements and collect data about an object's or a room's shape and dimensions. The system fires a laser at the target and uses the time it takes for the beam to bounce back to create a 3D representation. Construction, engineering, manufacturing, and even the entertainment business can all benefit from this technology. In Bangalore, the SCON Design offers professional 3D laser scanning services. They have access to high-tech 3D laser scanners that can accurately measure and collect extensive data about any structure, terrain, or object. In a couple of seconds, these scanners can gather millions of data points, enabling for the construction of highly accurate 3D models. When compared to more traditional methods of evaluation, 3D laser scanning's ability to capture complicated geometries and fine details stands out as a major advantage. In fields like architecture and engineering, where precise measurements are essential for designing and building, this is an invaluable tool. The 3D models created by laser scanning can be used for a wide variety of purposes, including but not limited to visualization, simulation, quality control, and documentation. SCON Design's experts in Bangalore are conversant with 3D laser scanning and may use it to personalize services company for each client. Their services company range from 3D building scanning for designers and builders to reverse engineering for industry and even archaeological site scanning for the sake of preservation and research. As a result of innovative companies such as the SCON Design, Bangalore is at the vanguard of a 3D laser scanning services company boom in India. Their state-of-the-art 3D scanners and highly trained employees ensure accurate digital representations of real-world environments and items. Because of its adaptability, 3D laser scanning is being used in an increasing variety of sectors, making it an indispensable tool for modern businesses. Thanks for watching.